The rainbow forest sparkles under a golden, magical sun. Mrs. Neelu stands in a clearing, smiling warmly at the children. Javu, Lily, Max, and Robert approach with wide, excited eyes. The air hums with a soft, melodic, and electric energy. Mrs. Neelu gestures toward the vibrant, glowing flora nearby. 3 mysterious, colorful eggs sit nestled within the magical petals. The children gasp in unison at the sight of them. Mrs. Neelu kneels down, inviting the children to step closer. Javu reaches out a hand, his fingers trembling with anticipation. He gently taps the first egg with his index finger. The egg wiggles slightly, responding to his soft touch. Lily leans in, her eyes reflecting the egg's soft glow. She taps the second egg, giggling as it pulses rhythmically. Max and Robert gather around to watch the magic unfold. Mrs. Neelu encourages them to count together in a rhythm. 1, 2, 3. They chanting high, excited voices. The first egg cracks, releasing a tiny, sparkly light. The light dances around the children like a playful firefly. The second egg bursts open, showering everyone in golden glitter. Lily laughs as the glitter settles in her curly hair. The children cheer, their faces bright with pure, unadulterated joy. Attention shifts to the final, largest egg in the center. This egg glows with the brilliant intensity of a rainbow. Colors shift from deep violet to vivid, burning crimson. The ground beneath them vibrates with a gentle, rhythmic hum. Mrs. Neelu places a hand on the shell, feeling warmth. She nods to the children, signaling them to encourage it. Javu shouts a friendly hello toward the glowing, colorful shell. Lily claps her hands, urging the creature to come out. Max and Robert join in, cheering for the hidden friend. A thin, jagged crack appears along the top of the egg. The rainbow light intensifies, blindingly bright for a brief moment. Another crack forms, splitting the shell down the middle. Small, scaly claws push against the inner wall of shell. The children hold their breath, watching the miracle unfold silently. A tiny, prehistoric snout pokes through the widening gap. The shell falls away in pieces, revealing a baby dinosaur. The creature blinks, its large eyes wide with curiosity. It lets out a tiny, high-pitched chirp of greeting. The forest erupts in a chorus of happy, joyful cheers. The baby dinosaur wobbles, taking its first shaky steps forward. It shakes off bits of shell, looking at the children. Mrs. Neelu beams, proud of the new life discovered today. She invites the children to wave at their new friend. Javu waves his hand, his expression filled with pure wonder. Lily offers a gentle, soft roar, mimicking the small creature. The baby dinosaur tilts its head, chirping back at her. Max and Robert crouch down to meet it at eye level. The creature nudges Max's hand with its warm, soft nose. The bond of friendship forms instantly in the magical clearing. The rainbow forest seems to glow brighter in celebration. Mrs. Neelu watches as the children interact with the dinosaur. The baby dinosaur explores the nearby flowers with great interest. It playfully snaps at a floating petal, missing it entirely. The children laugh, their laughter echoing through the tall trees. This is the start of a beautiful, lifelong magical adventure. They stand together, united by the miracle of the egg. The sun begins to dip lower, casting long, soft shadows. The baby dinosaur curls up near the children's feet comfortably. Wonder fills the air of NEELU Wonderville, waiting for more. The baby dinosaur blinks, looking around at the cheering children. A fluffy, magical bunny hops into the clearing with a playful twitch of its nose. The bunny approaches the baby dinosaur, sniffing curiously at its scaly tail. The dinosaur lets out a tiny, happy chirp, nuzzling the bunny's soft fur. Mrs. Neelu smiles, watching the two new friends bond instantly. She gestures toward a path lined with sparkling, luminescent rocks. Javu, Lily, Max, and Robert follow Mrs. Neelu toward the winding trail. The children hop over the glowing rocks, laughing as they leap. The baby dinosaur tries to hop too, stumbling clumsily but happily. The bunny waits for the dinosaur. Encouraging it with a gentle nudge, they reach a section of the forest draped in thick, twinkling vines. Mrs. Neelu instructs the children to crawl under the low-hanging greenery. The children crawl through the tunnel of light, giggling at the ticklish leaves. The bunny leads the dinosaur through the vines with ease. They emerge into a clearing where a rainbow stream flows with shimmering water. Mrs. Neelu announces a friendly race to the water's edge. The children sprint across the soft, mossy grass with excitement. The bunny bounds ahead, ears flopping in the magical breeze. The baby dinosaur waddles quickly, eager to keep up with his friends. They all reach the rainbow stream, splashing their hands in the colorful water. The bunny pulls a glowing, magical carrot from a hidden pouch. It breaks the carrot in two, offering a piece to the baby dinosaur. The dinosaur accepts the treat, munching happily on the glowing vegetable. Mrs. Neelu explains that sharing makes the magic grow even stronger. The children nod, learning a valuable lesson about kindness and friendship. The sun begins to dip low, casting golden hues across the forest. Rainbow butterflies descend from the canopy, glowing softly in the twilight. Mrs. Neelu starts a rhythmic beat, clapping her hands together. The children join in, clapping and stomping their feet to the forest music. The bunny twirls in circles, its fur shimmering under the butterfly light. The baby dinosaur dances along, swaying its tail in time with the beat. Everyone laughs, their joy echoing through the enchanted trees. As the dance ends, the group feels tired but incredibly happy. The baby dinosaur yawns, showing its tiny, harmless teeth. The bunny finds a cozy patch of clover near a large, glowing mushroom. The dinosaur curls up beside the bunny, resting its head on the soft fur. The children watch quietly, careful not to disturb the sleeping pair. Mrs. Neelu gathers the children close for a final moment. She whispers about the importance of keeping their imaginations alive. The forest seems to hum a lullaby as the stars begin to twinkle. Javu waves goodbye to the sleeping dinosaur and the bunny. Lily blows a gentle kiss toward their new prehistoric friend. Max and Robert offer a soft, final wave to the magical creatures. Mrs. Neelu leads the children toward the edge of the Wonderville woods. The rainbow butterflies follow them for a short distance, lighting the path. The children turn back one last time to see the glowing forest. They feel the magic lingering in their hearts as they head home. Mrs. Neelu smiles, knowing they will carry this wonder forever. The forest fades into a peaceful, starry silence. The adventure in NEELU Wonderville comes to a perfect, happy end. The camera pans up to reveal the shimmering night sky above the forest. A final sparkle of magic dust drifts slowly across the screen. The logo for NEELU Wonderville appears in vibrant, glowing letters. Mrs. Neelu reappears on screen to remind viewers to subscribe. She points to the notification bell icon flashing gently. The baby dinosaur lets out one last, tiny, sleepy roar. The bunny wiggles its ears one last time for the audience. The screen slowly transitions to a soft, warm fade out. The sounds of the forest fade into a gentle, melodic hum.